Wishing there would be.
Wala bang palakpakan dyan? I love the song. The most beautiful girl here.
I knew when I saw you, you had opened the door. I knew that I'd love again. After
Next up, we have Mr. Fred Cruz. Mr. Fred Cruz.
You said hello.
We can really see how these grandchildren love their nanay, no? This is the testament, this is the exact saying that you only have one nanay in town. Next we have Michael Cruz.
Just a little change. You're in my arms.
And also we want to say thank you sa tanan na mas busy ni Ani gihapon. Sa mga apo na napay mga studies, thank you for giving time, spending time, making sure to be here, joining us sa 88th birthday celebration. Next, we have Miguel Sabanay. Miguel Sabanay. Take your time, sir. And also, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank my friend nga naag hapon sa gawas, I think, si Dave. Thank you so much. Next, our cute Duke Sabanay.
Into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Such a heart.
Sa kadaghan sa anak ni nanay, daghan gyapon ni siyag apo.
When you find me there, you search no more, don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell.
Next, we have LJ Ver Sabanay. So cute. Isayaw sa sinanay, isayaw sa sinanay. Gipagupod pa rin sinanay. Isayaw sa sinanay. And I guess that's the last rose. That's the last rose we have here. Thank you so much. Ato sa pakpakan ng tanan.